Welcome to channel Biology for Everyone. My dear students, today I will discuss about rhodophyceae. Rhodophyceae, commonly called red algae. Red algae are ancient algae. First point, red algae is called ancient algae. Because their structures, especially pigment and cell wall composition and storage and their lacking of non-motile spores is like that of blue-green algae. So, they are ancient algae. Main point, first point, that is habitat. They are mostly found in marine waters. They are mostly marine. And concentrated in warmer areas. But they are also found, they are found in surface water as well as deep sea water. Due to presence of pigment or phycoerythrin, due to presence of phycoerythrin, pigment or phycoerythrin, which is capable of absorbing UV light and violet light, and violet light, they can live in deep water. When they live in deep water, they can synthesize R phycoerythrin in more amount, in more amount. And when they found in surface water, they form phycoerythrin is less amount. Phycoerythrin in less amount. And these are commonly, and that is in surface water, they are commonly found in Batrachospermum. This is found in fresh water. They can change their color. Actually, blue, ultraviolet and violet light being shorter in wavelength, they can penetrate in deep water. So at that point they can carry out photosynthesis, and in deep water only red algae is found, no other photosynthetic organism is found there due to absence of R phycoerythrin, unlike red algae. Next point, and they can change their color. They can change their color. They can change their color. Change their color according to their different water level. And this phenomenon is called Gaidukov phenomenon. This phenomenon is called Gaidukov's phenomenon or chromatic adaptation This phenomenon is also found in blue-green algae. This because they are also phycoerythrin, but C phycoerythrin is also found. Next about their cell wall or vegetative body. Next, vegetative body. Next about their vegetative body or plant body, main plant body. The main plant body is of great size and shape, like maybe unicellular. First one may be unicellular. Example, Porphyridium. Porphyridium. Number 2, they may be filamentous. Example, Astrocystis. Next, maybe parenchymatous sheet. Like structure. Example, Porphyra. Next, ribbon-like. Like Chondrus. Example, Chondrus crispus. Maybe graceful lace like seaweed. Example, Gelidium. Okay, these are the different types of plant body. Next about their cell wall. This is very complex in structure. Mainly consists of inner cellulose, inner cellulose and outer pectose. Outer pectose. Pectose is encased by outside pectose. Outside pectose there is special phylophore pectose. There is special phycocolloid or hydrocolloid which acts as it is gelatinous sheath which forms gelatinous sheath. Main component of phycocolloid, the common phycocolloids are agar, carrageen, and funory. Besides this, they also possess xylan, glucan, polyuronic acid, and minerals like calcium carbonate. This mineral calcium carbonate is found in corallina. This is found in corallina and lithothamnion. This calcium carbonate wall is found in corallina, not corallium. Corallium rubrum is member of Cnidaria, also possess which forms coral reef. They also possess calcium carbonate, and Cara under chlorophyceae also the wall possess calcium carbonate which is called stonewort. Here example corallina and lithothamnion. And these two algae form limestone and coral reef. These two algae form limestone and coral reef. Like that of Cnidarian members. Okay. Next, discuss about pigment system. Pigments. Common pigments are number 1 chlorophyll, number 2 beta carotene, number 3 phycobilin instead of xanthophyll. Phycobilin, this is water soluble pigment and and in this point it is similar with blue green algae. Number chlorophyll, type of chlorophyll is chlorophyll A and chlorophyll D. About beta phycobilin, 3 types. Number 1 R phycoerythrin, number 2 R phycocyanin and allophycocyanin. Okay. R phycoerythrin, it is red in color. It is red in color, it is blue in color, it is pale blue in color. Pale blue in color. These are common pigment. Now discuss about their storage port. Storage food. Mainly Floridian starch or Floridian starch, Floridian starch or rhodophysian starch, or also called rhodophysian starch. This is similar with amylopectin and glycogen in structure. Okay. Another type of soluble sugar which is fluoridioside. Another stored food is fluoridioside. Fluoridioside, which is galactoside of glycerol, which is a galactoside of glycerol. Galactoside of glycerol. Okay. Next about their reproduction. Reproduction, it is of three types: the vegetative, next asexual and sexual. About vegetative by fragmentation. Commonly found in filamentous algae, filamentous form, that is Astrocystis. Example, Astrocystis. Astrocystis. Next, asexual reproduction by various types of spores. By various types of spores, like neutral spores. Example, neutral spores, monospores, carpospores and tetraspores. These are all non-motile. And this character is similar with blue green algae. These all are non-motile spores. In their life cycle, there is no motile spores or gamete. Sexual reproduction is advanced type, most advanced types, and sexual reproduction is advanced type, most advanced, advanced and oogamous type, oogamous type. About their oogamous type and accompanied by complex and accompanied by complex post fertilization development, post fertilization development. About the sex organs, about their sex organs. Sex organ, male sex organ is called it is antheridium or spermatangium. This spermatangium produces non-motile male gamete called spermatia. And female sex organ is called carpogonium. It is flax-shaped in structure. Possess a prolonged neck. Called trichogyne. Tip of spermatia is carried out by the water. Spermatia is carried out by water current due to lack of flagella. Water current and received by tip of trichogyne and form zygote which produce new offspring. Okay, now we discuss about life cycle. Two types of alternation generation shows haplontic type of alternation generation and haplodiploidic type of alternation generation. Haplontic type of generation, dominant phase is haploid. Dominant phase is haploid. Dominant phase is haploid. Example Bactacospermum. And in case of haplodiploidic life cycle, both haploid and diploid phase are dominant. Haploid and diploid multicellular phase is visible. Multicellular phase is visible, and it is found in polysiphonia. It is found in polysiphonia. Okay. Now we discuss about economic importance of rhodophycy. Economic importance of rhodophycy. Number 1, phycocolloid. About phycocolloid. A number of phycocolloids are extracted for commercial use. Phycocolloid. Common phycocolloids are agar, carrageen and fumarate. Agar commonly obtained from Gracilaria and Gelidium. Gracilaria and Gelidium. Commonly obtained from Gracilaria and Gelidium. Agar is used in solidifying in laboratory culture. Agar commonly used in solidifying culture media, solidifying laboratory culture media, laboratory culture media for studying microbes. This is also added as stabilizer. This is also used as thickener or stabilizer in preparation of jellies, in preparation of jellies, pudding, cream, cheese, etc. Next, carrageen. Carrageen is commonly obtained from chondrus. Carrageen is also used in cleaning agent. Used in cleaning agent of liquor, and leather finishing leather finishing, and also as emulsifier in chocolate, ice cream, toothpaste, etc. Okay, and it is also used in preparation of it is also used in preparation of capsule of medicine, capsule of medicine. Okay, funerary, about funerary is used as adhesive or glue, glue in textile or paper industry, or paper industry or paper industry or paper industry. Okay, next, food. Number 2, food. Main edible food is porphyra. Main edible food, main edible alga. Besides this, Rhodymania, chondrus. Etc. Rhodymania, chondrus, also called Irish moss. These are edible red alga. This is all about algae. Okay.